Brent, would you like go on a date with me with my hair looking like this?
Nope.
Exactly.
I'm kidding, I would.
Good morning, Schnitzel Squad! So my sister and I have curly hair. As you guys know, this is my natural texture. My sister did a video about 2 weeks ago on her channel. I'll link it down below. And the video was my boyfriend styles my curly hair. I thought the video was so funny and so freaking hilarious. So today, I thought I would have Brent try to style my hair. You know, a lot of people just like don't know. They're not familiar with the ins and the outs of curly hair. So I washed my hair, only put like some curly like hair product inside of it. But other than that, this is pretty much just how it goes for me on a good day, people. So give this video a big thumbs up and let's get this video to 100,000 likes for natural hair freaking slayed. No, but seriously, give this video a thumbs up if you love embracing your natural beauty. Also, if you want to check out the vlog from today, I will link the vlog down below as well. Let's go to Brent's house. What is up, guys? It's Ava and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day and an amazing week and I hope everything is going swell. I'm back with Brent.
Am I shirtless in the back?
Oh, what?
Why are you shirtless? So as you guys know, my little sister has a YouTube channel and she posted a video on her boyfriend doing her natural
She has a
hair.
boyfriend?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
How long have they been dating?
A while. Like
Really?
So I thought it would be a great idea to get Brent to style my natural hair. I don't think you've had any experience with like natural hair.
What is that supposed to mean?
You know, like natural hair.
Natural as in?
Like ethnic.
Ethnic. We could give it a try. I mean, I like to consider myself a pretty good hairstylist.
So Brent, I'm going to give you 4 or 5 different natural hairstyles that I usually do for myself. A lot of girls do for their hair. Protective styles, if you will. You know what a protective style is?
I have no idea.
Based on how you do, I will give you a score out of 1 through 10 and you guys can comment down below on how good Brent does. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up for natural hairstyles and wish Brent good luck.
What?
Let's do this. Okay, Brent, in this little package, I have everything you need to create all of these following styles. Spray bottle. Oh, we should fill this with some water. You should go fill that with some water.
Okay.
Comb, scrunchie, little rubber band, bobby pin, gel, stronger gel, rat tooth comb.
Ew. What's that one called?
I think that's what it's called, rat tail. Rat tail. The first style you're going to be creating, the space buns.
Space buns.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wait, what?
I wear this hairstyle all the time when I come over.
What this is, it's 2 separate buns on each side of the hair, right?
Yeah, it's like this, but 2 and cute.
Okay. Why isn't it coming off?
Curly hair is difficult, Brent. I feel like my scalp is lifting to the heavens.
There it is.
Oh.
Comes off like that. What the heck? Whoa, look at this. This is fun. Why don't you wear your hairstyle like this? I actually like this. Whoa, Caleb, look at this. Look how cool she looks. Doesn't she look cool?
It's a look.
Gosh, what the heck is wrong with your hair?
What's wrong with my hair? Oh, I feel it coming loose.
Oh, there it is.
Oh wait, you have one? What are you smelling it for? This is the picture. Do you have it like in your head?
Yeah, no, that's easy. Really curly. I've never seen such curly hair before.
Yeah, I figured. What are you doing? Are you brushing it with
Yeah, that's what you said. You
I
said
didn't say to brush my hair with
Well,
a
you gave
rat
me
tail
a brush. Okay, so we're gonna use the brush to really like put it all together. Hey, you don't have lice, do you?
No, we don't have lice.
Ah, this is so difficult. Oh, I almost pulled your hair out, sorry. What the heck? Here we go. No, what? How do I get it around the stupid hair?
What stupid hair?
Oh, I did something. I did something. It's on. Okay, wait. Make sure it's on there all the way. Tell me if it hurts, because I'll stop.
God, it does.
Perfect. And then the other side, just like you did the other side. There. There you have it. You got yourself a space bun. What do they call? Is it called space bun? This is what they wear in the galaxy, okay? All the girls in the galaxy wear. You look like, what's her name? Princess Leia.
I've been searching for a reason.
Oh. It looks pretty good. It doesn't look that bad, right? I think it's a good try.
Honestly, I'm gonna give you a 2 out of 10.
Okay.
This looks pretty bad.
All right, I'll take a 2, but I'm so sad I got a 2.
Give me a head massage.
Ew, no.
Ew! The next hairstyle, you have to do a bun. You have to get those edges on fleek. Spray the hair with a lot of water. Get it up in a really nice bun, like kind of how I had earlier.
Yeah.
Leave some pieces out.
Pieces to kind of shape.
Yeah. You got it.
Oh yeah,
you got this one. This one you got in the back.
Here we go. So we're gonna make her hair really wet. How wet? Probably not
as
that
wet as
right?
you. Never mind.
So we're getting pretty wet here, and that's the very important thing is we want to leave some behind. Not too long though. This one, as you can see, it might be a little too long. So we're gonna take that one with us. But we're gonna see this one is perfect. I think that one's great.
Okay.
I think that one's good. Take that hair. We're gonna take it. We're gonna really massage it.
Ooh. Yeah, it's a high bun though, Brent. You're already failing. It's like a high.
Yes. So we're gonna want to do high bun. Squish it together so we can get that rubber band on top of it. Now, here we go. Perfect.
I can feel my hairs ripping out of my scalp. You heard that too.
We're just gonna thin it out a little bit.
Thin it out! That's the last thing I want.
Perfect.
I feel like I should show you a little video of someone doing their edges so you like get it. You get it like really gelled.
No, I know exactly what you're saying. I use gel in my hair. We're just gonna kind of do a little bit of a, you know, let it stick there for a sec. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And then we're gonna want to do this side, gel me. Now we're talking. Then we're just gonna boom.
Oh, you're really swirling it. Look.
Hold it. Hold it. 3. Perfect. What am I supposed to do with these? These are like random hairs.
That's the baby hairs. Oh my god, what are you doing with those?
You're supposed to twist up.
Twist them?
Yes.
You're gonna crack my hair off.
10, 9, 8, 7. There it is! It's called the Captain Hook.
Brent.
It's good. That's exactly what you asked for. So you asked for the bun and you also asked for the design in the front. I gave you that. I think it looks pretty good. What?
Brent. 4 out of 10 for this one.
4 out of 10 is not bad. I'm getting better.
It was a little better. This is your next style.
Oh no. What's the name of this one?
French braids. Just gonna be honest, I can't even do this on myself. So if you can get this one, that's impressive.
Okay.
Brent, if you can literally create a straight line in a part, I'll be impressed. Like if you can like give me that.
And I'm giving you that. This is exactly what I'm giving you.
Do you know how to braid hair, Brent?
That, and then.
No.
Wait, that's only 2.
No.
You go outside over the middle and outside over the next middle and outside.
No. Over that one.
And then back.
This one. Over this
That
one.
Brent, what's gonna happen when we have children and you can't do their hair? When I'm working on important business matters.
Rubber band, please.
And you're a stay-at-home dad. When little Susie has to go to school in the morning, is this what you're gonna give her?
She's not gonna get a braid, okay?
What's she gonna get? A bun? What else, Brent? What are you gonna do with her hair?
She's gonna have spiky hair. This is what's different about this braid and the regular braid. It just has a little more umph up top. As you can see, like the braid doesn't go all the way to the scalp. There's probably about a good inch here before the braid actually starts. Yeah. And that's what's gonna differentiate you from like the original braids to this kind of braid.
Ah, the Brent braid.
Yeah, the Brent braid, yeah.
If anyone tries out the Brent braid, please send me a picture. Hashtag Brent braid, hashtag help me.
So the same thing with this one.
Oh, I can give you some pins.
Pins, yes, pins, please. You told me you had pins. It would have made everything so much easier. What are these? These aren't the pins I use.
What do you mean pins you use?
What are these things?
At least you gave me some bangs.
Yeah,
that's
you're
cute.
welcome.
I wasn't really thinking about that.
You're welcome.
Brent, did you seriously put?
Oh, what about something like this? Turn around. Like this looks like a chicken. You know, like with the two. These are the 2 drumsticks, right? You come back like this. These are like the freaking drumsticks with the butt. You know? Look, it's like called the chicken hair. Please tell me that's not made up yet, because I can trademark that. Yeah, it's great.
Ew.
I feel like I would find like a Skittle in your hair.
Hey, my hair is beautiful.
I love your hair, I actually do.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
I like the shade. I like how it goes from brown, kind of lightens up.
Yeah. I'm gonna give you one more hairstyle, and then I'm gonna have Caleb do my hair.
All right, competition, all right. Competition makes me better.
Okay.
How about Caleb does one of the same hairstyles I do, and then they have to be the judge, and
Yeah.
guess who did it better?
So basically you're doing like a half up, half down thing. It was like the hairstyle that I wore when we filmed the like, Try Not to Laugh challenge. If you remember what I looked like
Yeah,
that
no,
day.
I remember.
Okay, just half up, half down. You literally can't fail this.
So one side, you're saying like this, then one side like this.
No!
Make sure we have all the hair here. Now, we're gonna go to the top.
Brent! What the hell?
I have to get this through, Ava. Everything will be fine once I get this through. Got it, now I let go. Okay. My hand stopped. 3, 2, 1, rip it off like a Band-Aid. Boom! Half up, half down. How does that look? That's pretty cool. Nice choice.
Brent, there's still hair stuck in the rubber band. Honestly?
Not half bad.
Brent, would you like go on a date with me with my hair looking like this?
Nope.
Exactly.
I'm kidding, I would. Nah, I mean, I like it. I think it looks good. I think I did a good job.
You would take a picture with me and feel proud to post this as my woman.
I don't, you know, I think this is more of like I'm gonna stay in night and like watch like a movie or something.
You know, honestly, this isn't that bad.
No.
I think this is your best work.
Thank you.
I'm gonna give you a 6.5 out of 10.
Yes!
I think it's Caleb's turn.
Caleb's not gonna do as good as me though, Ava.
Gross.
Just warning you.
All right. What am I doing?
Caleb, I'm going to give you the bun with the edges.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
The wetter, the better.
Oh.
Like, honestly, the wetter, the better. Oh my God. Brent, why don't you pull up a seat? Oh, look, Caleb's already getting it nice and high. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's see how it turns out.
He's getting it real snatched. I want to feel my eyebrows like raise up to the, oh.
Good luck with this one.
Don't be jealous.
I'm not jealous.
Just because Caleb has a little bit more skills with his hands.
Oh gosh.
I'm just more experienced.
I've never done a woman's hair. Uh-oh.
That's okay. That's okay.
Looks like the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
That is not bad. Okay, now we need the edges.
Where's designs? Where are the designs? Where
I
are
haven't got
Getting
there
there,
yet.
Good luck.
And then here's this.
I'm starting to not like this.
I don't like this at all. This is fun.
Fred, don't be mad that another man is touching your girl.
Huh? Raid the twins' place.
Okay, that's not bad. I mean, that's better than you did.
No, it's not. You look like a freaking, you look like you're like, what the, that's not even like a thing.
It's about to be a thing, all right? Just let me draw a cool design.
You look like you like came out of like a Grease movie or something, and you're the guy.
Stop.
Shut up, don't be jealous.
You know how much gel he put on your hair so far?
That's how you're supposed to do.
Oh.
Ew.
You're making it worse!
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
I think my middle hook was better.
Mm.
You know, we're just gonna.
You know, if I had this much time on doing the hair, I could have
You had more time.
I could
Way
have
more
whipped
time
some
than
stuff
that.
up in the kitchen.
That's not bad. Okay. Caleb, I'm gonna give you a 7.
That's the highest score of the day.
I don't think so. I don't think.
7.
Why?
Because the bun is nice and tight.
Okay.
I feel comfortable with this level of bunnage.
It's crooked.
It's not a crooked. It's a little falling.
There's a lot of stringy hairs in the back.
No, there's not.
Perfect.
You're gelling up her hair.
This obviously needs some help, but I'm not even the best at it, so I'm not gonna like judge it.
Yeah.
That's not bad. That is not bad.
Not good.
Well, Brent,
How'd I do?
you know, you're so much better at other things. Like, you're good at like videos and like being funny, but hair's not your thing.
I feel like if I did it now, after that we've done that, I feel like I've learned so much that I could actually probably be a little better too.
Baby step. How do you feel after the whole process? Like, how do you feel about curly hair?
Curly hair is hard. I didn't know how like difficult it is to like shape and like just like handle curly hair. I feel like it can get tangled so easily when I try to part it, you know? I didn't expect it to be that difficult.
But you love it either way.
You know, this hairstyle I don't really like. The other 4 I was kind of digging. Yeah.
You can do my hair before we go out tonight.
I can
The
do
Brent-
whatever?
I'll wear the Brent braids.
We should do the chicken legs.
Oh my god. Give this video a big thumbs up for Brent attempting. You did a good job. You were a good sport.
I did good.
You did horrible.
What?
Subscribe to Brent. I'll have his channel linked down below because he makes videos that are not involving female hairstyles.
Far from that.
And yeah, be sure to check out the vlog from today. I'll link that down below. Also subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that fun stuff will be linked down below. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next week.
Bye.